Hey everyone, this is Steve from PublishPress. In this video, I'm talking about the PublishPress Future plugin. I'm also going to answer a user question. We had a PublishPress customer who asked us, is there a way to set up content update reminders? I need to get an email, say every 1 month or every 12 months, to give me a quick notification that one piece of content is going stale, it needs an update. I need to get an email in my inbox telling me what content needs updating. This is possible with PublishPress Future, and I'll show you how. We have a whole bunch of posts in here that have been around often for months, and some of them for years. I want to get an email when one of them is 12 months out of date. This is possible using Future and the Action Workflows feature. I'm going to be using the Pro version of the plugin here. I'm going to go to the Action Workflows screen and add a new workflow. The first thing I need to do is decide on the trigger. What is going to start this workflow in motion? It could be 12 months after the post was published. It could be 12 months after the post was last updated. It's up to you. In this case, I'm going to choose an update. I want this to happen 12 months after the last change of any kind was made to the post. So first we have the trigger. This will start the workflow in motion. Next is going to be the schedule. I'm going to set up a 12-month delay using this schedule delay step. In the right sidebar, I'm going to choose to set this to run relative to a specific date, and that specific date is going to be when the trigger is activated. And the offset is going to be 12 months. Or, we could just type in 1 year. That's going to give us a preview below. The current date is April 18th, and the computed date is April 18th also, but 2026 instead. And now, what I'm going to do is send an email. So I have an email step here. In the right sidebar, you can control who gets the email and what the message contains. By default, the email is being sent to the site administrator. You could also add the author's email in here as well. To do this, we're going to add this, we're going to click on this small icon on the right side. And there's all sorts of shortcodes to choose from here. We're going to choose the post before it's updated. We're going to choose the author option, and we're going to choose the author's email. So that is going to be a shortcode for the author's email address in there. I can change the subject. This is going to be content update needed. I can put whatever subject I need in there. And then for the message, I can say, please update the post called, and then I'm going to grab the title of the post. I'm going to click on this little icon here. And I'm going to click on the title option. So this is going to be the full content of the email. Please update the post called, and then the shortcode for the title here. And there we go. We have a workflow ready to run. Fortunately, in PublishPress Future, you don't have to wait 12 months for this. We can test it right now. I'm going to publish the workflow and give it a useful name, a useful title here. Email to update after 12 months. Okay, good to go. I'm going to exit out of the workflow and put this to the test. I'm going to add a new post. And I'm going to save and publish this new post. And now I should be able to test to see if my workflow has started for this post. I can check this by going to Future, going to any screen in the Future plugin and clicking on the Scheduled Actions button. Up at the top, I can see that this workflow started. This is the post I created, my post test, and the scheduled date is 12 months away. What I can do is click on Run to run this right now. Okay, so the workflow is run. Let me go ahead and check this email logging plugin that I have installed here. And the email didn't send because I'm on a test site. But let me see if the log actually records the content of the email that my website tried to send. There we go. Please update the post called My Post Test. It's sent correctly. I could go back to Future and Action Workflows and improve this email. For example, I could add a short code for the URL, so I could click the link and go directly to the post, or I could add more receivers. There's a bunch of ways this workflow could be improved, but it works. And one other thing I'm going to do to test is I'm going to go back and edit an existing post, and I'm going to see if this workflow starts just based on an update. So I have this post here, and it is now an updated post. I'm hoping that's going to be enough to start a 12-month clock on this particular post. I'm going to check by going to Future and Action Workflows. I'll go to Scheduled Actions, and there it is. In 12 months' time, PublishPress Future is going to send me an email reminding me to update this post. PublishPress Future really is the best way to schedule things to happen on your WordPress site. The free version is available on WordPress.org. It has a ton of powerful features. I use the pro version in this video, but the free version is really useful, and you can head over to WordPress.org and grab your free copy today.